Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you guys do not know me, my name is Alexis Marie. I decided to do this intro just to speak to you guys a little bit on kind of what I plan on doing in this video, what's going on, why am I making these decisions that I'm making, and why am I doing what I'm doing. So real quick, if you guys don't know me, hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it as well toward the end. Definitely give it time though. I'm not the best and I'm definitely not the most professional YouTuber on here yet. So yeah, but today I decided to come to you guys to show you how I did my faux locks, semi-permanent dreadlocks. I did do a perm on my hair thinking it would correct my damaged, my color damaged and my heat damaged hair. That was definitely a big mistake of mine that I had made that I pretty much instantly regretted. So I then tried to figure out what I could do. I did treatments on my hair. I'm not really well at upkeeping the treatments weekly, and I fall off. I'm a human being at the end of the day, and I realized that I wasn't keeping up with my hair, and it was slowly but surely literally falling out. When I did the perm, I literally had the ends of my hair was melted. So I went in and tried to do a little snippet, trying to get those really so far gone ends off. And I didn't want to do another big chop. If you guys haven't checked out my big chop video, definitely go on my channel and check it out. It's not really in-depth tutorial on how to big chop your hair. I just wanted to show kind of where I came from, that perspective. So anyways, yeah, I big chopped April 2017. It is now October 2018. I have had a decent amount of growth. It just kind of hit a stopping point right about chin level, which worried me. But then again, it was worrying me because I had damaged it by coloring and bleaching and being stupid, pretty much. So I decided to get dreadlocks. As you can see, this is kind of the final result. I mean, I like them. I feel like they look fine. I did use human hair blend. Hair I feel like was good. I got it from Sam's Beauty, buy one get one, $7.99. So I got 8 packs, only used 7, which I still don't feel like is bad. With this hair, I can still wash my hair. I can still do the normal things that I normally would. So I just went ahead with it. I just finished. It took me about 8 hours total to complete. It took me about 8 hours to complete it. I did it all by myself. So my party in the back is probably horrendous, but I will turn around and show you guys what it looks like from the back, which I'll be excited to see too because I haven't seen it yet. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. My Burger King straws, they really bother me. This is not sponsored, however, it's not a sponsored video. So if you guys do like my dreadlocks, do like the way they look, and I feel like they look decently real, at least for me. I mean, I live in Montana, so how are they honestly gonna know? Okay, guys, so just showing you real quick, I sectioned it off into 4 sections even as I could, straight down the back, and then I'm gonna work from my nape up, finger coil. I'm not gonna be adding anything in with the finger coil. I may, let me rephrase that. Oh, I don't have it in here with me. Where's my gel? Well, I may just be adding some of this moisturizing cream just because my hair really needs it. I don't want to add too much product because I don't want it to take forever to dry. I will hood dry or get on the hooded dryer once I get to that point. But yeah, so I'm just going to do this finger coil, or see, look, my hair's not coming out. Or a comb coil. Jesus, I can't get my words out. Comb coil. So if you want me to show you, I don't really know how I'm going to end up showing you how to comb coil because I'll just come back and show you when I get to the front just to make it easier, okay? Okay, guys. So it took me officially an hour and 22 minutes just to comb coil. Sorry, just to comb coil my hair. I did use just this moisturizing cream. I didn't use too much. I went pretty light because I don't want product build up pretty quickly. And I didn't use a lot. I hate that I didn't record comb coiling like I said I would, but I will undo or just kind of go through this one again. It's not nothing serious. This is just about the size of my parting. It's not big, especially in the front because I don't want jumbo locks. So I would add I would add just a little bit to coat on there. I try not to go too close to the roots. I really just focus on the ends because they need it the most. And then I take my nasty, dirty pink comb. And then what I do is I just kind of pull the hair up, wrap it, I comb it through a few times, just in case because my hair knots over nothing. So then I go and I just start coiling. Okay, I did that so wrong. I'm sorry, hold on. You would think I would know what I'm doing by now. Anyways, so I do it a little bit more toward the edge. It's like I comb through and then I start twirling. Just start pulling down. Now, I would definitely suggest for you guys to do this if you have heat damaged hair. Over the finger twirls, the comb just gives it more, helps your hair curl up more, if you see what I mean. So this is just what my base of my locks are going to look like. Like I said, it took me about an hour and 22 minutes. I watched Trolls completely through. So what I'm going to do is, yeah, it was an hour and 24 minutes. So I'm really not doing as well on time as I would have expected. So yeah, this is just what it looks like. Some of them have clips in them, some of them don't. Yeah, my clips fall pretty quickly. And I used all the clips that I had, so yeah, so my next objective is to get them dry because I don't want to put the hair in my hair while it's still wet. For multiple reasons, you should just never put any extension in your hair while your hair's still wet. Okay, real quick, I did want to show you guys, a little bit more on the hair. So it's not a lot that comes in it. It looks like it's 4 or 5 bundles. So I'm gonna just show you me taking it off. Excuse my dirty room. It looks like a whole bunch of trash is shoved over there, which it is, but, so yeah, it does feel really good. I'm trying to show you guys kind of how thick it is, so this is just half, or 3/4, I guess. So it looks like it comes with 5 little individual bundles. So I guess they did bundle it up. It's not completely loose. So this makes it a lot easier to work with. I'm only going to work with a pack at a time, but this is one alone, and I feel like this would take up a pretty good bit. So I'm really happy about that, because when my hair starts growing out, when my hair does start growing out, I can like wrap it to make it thicker, so that way if my ends, since it's so thin, I can go in and make it look more like my hair. My only issue is the matching, which on camera it doesn't look bad, but in person I feel like I can definitely see a difference. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you know what, at the end of the day, you got what you got, and that's all you. So while I got a little bit of sunlight, I just wanted to show you guys what the extensions are looking like so far, kind of up close and personal. The hair is pretty good, I have to say. The one thing I regret not doing is washing the hair first, but at the end of the day, like, it didn't have a chemical smell or anything like that. So yeah, this is kind of what they're looking like. They're cute. I'm feeling them. I'm digging them. You know, we did like one on this side. So I'm gonna show you real quick how I'm doing it and why I'm doing it the way I am. So I have the Afro kinky hair. So it's kind of like the method of Faux Locs. So it is the wrapping method. So if you hate that, you're gonna hate it. I was gonna just keep an open end and dreadlock the rest of the hair, but that can take weeks on weeks on weeks. And two, my hair trying to interlock with it, my hair ain't looking too cute right now. So I decided to do it this way. So I'm gonna demonstrate on this section right here. So what I do is I just kind of twist up the section, make sure I can see kind of how it's supposed to be. So I'm watching I'm a Killer on Netflix. You guys should check it out. It's pretty crazy. So anyways, loop one around the other. That way it gives you that X style. So that way it kind of interlocks on each other. Pull it down, get it stretched out. So then I go in like this bad boy. Now don't do it all the way to the root, because I want to interlock my roots. So then I'm just going to braid it down. So I left about a good finger's width out. So I'm just going to braid. And do. So hopefully I can speed this part up. A lot of the hair fell. Not a lot of it, some of it. So at this point, when I really don't have much of my hair left to braid, I get lazy and I do it like that. So this is what you should have. So then the next step, obviously, is to start the wrapping process. So make sure you don't grab too much at one time. It's okay to, have 3 different sections. So it's pretty thin, not too much, because I don't want it to get really thick at the roots. I want it to look pretty natural. So I do wrap kind of close. Well, I do wrap closer than what I braided to the roots. So I'll start there, wrap a few times. See how it's coming along, not too bad. I'll take this number in here. So when I have a little straggly end like this, I go ahead and start reversing it back up. Just because I want to, you can go up, down, you can leave it and, just roll it. The best part about this Afro kinky hair is like it sticks to itself. I keep hitting my tripod, I'm sorry. It like sticks to itself. Sorry if you hear my husband's like gaming stuff going off. That is loose hair in the back, so don't freak out thinking like, girl, your dreads was looking like, who did it and why? I got you. So then I just grab a little bit more. Since it's in the front, you definitely want these dreads to be, I wouldn't call them thin, but you definitely don't want them looking too thick. Like, as you can see, well, this one still is pretty thick, but it is a pretty big box. Just do them however you want them done, And what I noticed was, like, when I first started, I wanted to start at the back. That way, if I messed up, it wouldn't bother me as much as if I've seen it in the front and it was messed up. I would wrap too tight, and I would, like, slant it, so you gotta make sure you're going in a complete circle, So, food for thought. So I started working on the dreadlocks at 2, I believe. I want to say 2 o'clock even. It might have been later than that. Pretty sure it was after 2. But I've been working on them since 2, and it's now 5:37, so this is 3 hours worth of dreads. Yeah, the hair doesn't really stick to each other like that. I don't feel like it has that, what I'd call, like, synthetic stick. And if you get it now bunched up, like you can see the curl is really good, just kind of fluff it out. Kind of, finesse. And then we grab it. And I do start up if, it looks a little thin in one part. So then I kind of measure. I don't want it to be like all the way down here. Sorry, my boss texted me. So obviously, as you can see, it's getting real thin on the ends, which is kind of what I like personally. If you have those really thick blunt ends, I just don't think it looks realistic. Like, don't get me wrong, I do have some that are, trying to put it up against my skin so you can see it, like, of decent size, but I don't feel like they're, like, as thick as, this. So I'm gonna start. So what you should have is you should have a hanging piece and then a wrapping piece. So grab one and start wrapping it back up. This is how you get that beautiful balding tip point. I didn't realize this until like a few dreads in. So just start wrapping it up. I'm definitely gonna have to fast forward this. And then palm roll, and then you should be left with this. You grab it and you start wrapping upwards as well. That's my dread, guys. That's how I do it. I only have one more step left. So broke bit tack. I don't have a crochet hook, so I got a bobby pin though. So if you have a jumbo bobby pin at home, or you don't have a beauty supply, it's not open, and you can go to Walmart, get some jumbo bobby pins. So I'll show you what I do since I only have like a finger's width left at the roots. I'm gonna take it up and bring it down. So I'm gonna take it at like an. Okay, so what I learned with interlocking, you want to pull it the way you want it to lay. Like I want my dread to lay right here, like this way. Like I want it to lay like that. So I'm gonna go in at an angle. I feel like you guys can't see what I'm doing, but and then I'm gonna feed the dread through. And then I'll pull it down. Sorry. Oh, sorry. And that right there is interlocked. So that's really it. That's my method to the madness. I'll come back and do another one, kind of when I get more so close to done, but I wanted to take advantage of the lighting, because it's pretty gloomy outside and it gets dark here pretty early. So, like I said, guys, I haven't interlocked all of these. I'm just going to do like the fronts and the sides for right now. But when my hair does start to grow out, this is what I plan on doing. So that way, this is like an extension and my hair just grows and I interlock as it goes. This is just my method. I don't know much with hair, so if there's probably reasons why people don't do it like this, but this is just how I'm going to do it, because I ain't got time. Like, your girl be working too much, and this is just easy maintenance, upkeep. And I feel like for the most part, they look pretty real. Like, I don't think they look, you know, super fake. I don't think they look like too much. You know, faux locks, they have really huge locks and they don't look normal. These, they have mistakes, they have errors, but guess what? So do real locks. So if you guys like this video, I'm gonna come back. I don't know why I said if you guys like this video, like this is an outro. No, it's not. I'm gonna come back whenever it's finished. Hopefully it'll be today or tonight. So it'll be a little orangey toned, not no natural lighting, but you know what? It is what it is. So I'm trying to get this video posted out this week. Today's October 2nd, by the way. So if you see this before October 5th, shout out to your girl for getting it done. Much love.
So now that you guys kind of seen my method to the madness, I just wanted to say I appreciate you watching the video. Make sure you remember, if you do like it, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to try to make more hair videos, but then again with these dreadlocks, it's not really much more I can do. So, hopefully I'll be leaving my hair alone for a while. I need it. I need to be left alone. But I am going to try to upload once a week, so hopefully this video gets posted. Today, right now, is October 12th. The first day I filmed was October 1st. Yes, I just wore the same shirt because I took a shower and slept in it. Yeah, anyways, don't the shirt remind you guys of Billy Madison, though? It so does me. It's like Billy Madison vibes, and I really like it. But yeah, so I'm going to try to keep posting once a week. It will be a mixture of things. I might try to do some more reviews. Like I said, with this hair, I will probably give it a 7 out of 10. The only reason I would do a 7 is because I didn't know it was a blend until after I purchased it. 1, and then 2, it did take about a week and a half to get here, and I expected a little bit faster shipping, which then again I shouldn't be too mad because I know sometimes it has took over 2 weeks to receive hair, so I shouldn't be too upset about it. But and then 2, the color was a little bit off. It looked a little lighter than what I expected, but then again it kind of matched perfectly with my hair, so I'm not really complaining. But I guess I could be fair and get it like an 8.5 out of 10. So it's only small things that really bothered me, but for the most part, I feel like it's great. I do want to share this journey and show you guys kind of how things work out when I go through it. So hopefully I can show you guys like a month after, 6 months after. Hopefully I can probably keep these in. Can you guys hear that? This is the thing that sucks about living on base. It's helicopters you gotta hear, it's announcements, it's test runs, it's everything is like... Anyways, though, I will show you guys videos, updates on how these things hold in, how well they do, how well they protect my hair, maybe see if they could take in a little bit of color. So if I want to bleach the ends, I might try that on a few, just to kind of give it something, spice it up, keep my channel going. But like I said, if you guys want certain videos from me, definitely comment down below what you would like. And oh my goodness, it sounds like the apocalypse. So I'm gonna go now. I hope you guys have a lovely day, night,
Evening, morning, whatever time it is, wherever you're watching. Thank you so much, and I do appreciate it.